Welcome back. It's 10 before the top of the hour. Thanks for joining us here on Day Planner. We've got severe weather that is on the move in Pennsylvania and even western New York State. Our severe weather expert, Dr. Greg Forbes, joining us now. And Greg, there's a lot of counties being affected by this stormy weather. That's right, Kelly. It goes all the way from Buffalo, New York, down, getting close now to State College and Altoona, Pennsylvania, down to Johnstown. Let's take a look. Here you see outlined in yellow all of those counties with severe thunderstorms. Look at these little red line segments here. Those are along the cold front that extends from Buffalo down east of Bradford, PA, getting close to State College. It's around Clearfield and down to the areas east of Johnstown. And these are moving pretty quickly. Even a second little line that's moving out of Westmoreland County into Indiana County. So damaging winds, 60, perhaps 70-mile-per-hour gusts, and even an isolated tornado a possibility. This line of storms by around 5 or 6 o'clock will move to Philadelphia, and then an hour or so later than that, New York, and then across all of New England. Let's switch sources. We'll see that this storm, or these line of storms, is along the cold front, right out ahead of this big surface and upper low. The yellow here indicates thunderstorms within this. That is pretty unusual for December to get severe thunderstorms coming across the Northeast. But today, 75, 80-mile-per-hour winds at 5,000 feet. Some of these thunderstorms are pushing those to the ground, and you go 20,000 feet, it's 120 mile per hour there. So damaging winds, even isolated tornadoes all the way from southern New England across Pennsylvania, and it may build its way down into the Washington, D.C., Virginia, and even eastern parts of North Carolina as the afternoon and evening progress. We'll keep you up to date on all that. Now here's Bill for the winter side of the storm.
All right, and what a side it is there, Greg. We've had reports unofficially of 16.5 inches of snow in Kenosha, Wisconsin, out there between Milwaukee and Chicago. Thankfully, it is starting to wind down, but just a major, major event here. Look at all that snow up and down I-43, Green Bay, Sheboygan, Milwaukee, Kenosha area, as Portia showed you. Still very nasty traveling out there. The good news is snow is over. It's history in Rockford. Still snowing in Elgin, but it should end here quickly. So the Northwest Tollway will get better from a falling snow perspective. We have the icing going on around Lansing and Ann Arbor and back into the Kalamazoo area. We've had severe icing here. Very heavy snow, Traverse City to Pellston, coming down 75 as well, showing up there into the greater Saginaw Bay area now. There's your snow now in Chicago. Hang in there, Chicagoans. Probably about one more hour, then it's a done deal. But again, a big cleanup, and watch that wind later on today.